Python programming language installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter Python download. Enter key press python.org download Python. First link click. Python official web page complete display. Second option downloads, select supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Android, other platforms. Default detected operating system download for Windows. Python latest version 3.14.4 button click. Download section lo python-amd64.exe file downloading process start. File size 28.9 MB. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo python exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Install Python latest version 3.14.4 architecture 64-bit. Window lo bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Option left side box tick mark set. Auto creation path in system environment variable. Second option left side box tick mark set. Second option customize installation. Option select. Optional features section lo default all options tick mark set. Pip package manager second button next click. Advanced options window lo first one install Python 3.14 for all users. Option left side box tick mark set. Customize install location. Installation Python default path display. Local disk C. Program files newly created folder Python 3.14. In case change the another one drive or folder, browse button click. Present unnecessary default set. Second button install click. User account control window lo first button yes click. Setup progress window lo Python application related files, executable files and exe files and DLL files. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Pip package manager related bootstrap files, installation process and standard libraries. Setup was successful. Window display. Close button click. Python installation verify. Desktop Windows search box lo enter cmd. First option command prompt select. Enter the installation verify command. Python space ---- version. Enter key press. Installation latest version 3.14.4. Run the Python shell. Enter the command py. Enter key press. Python simple single line script enter. Enter key press. Mathematical function 5 plus 5. Enter key press. 10. Shell window close. Windows search box lo enter ideal Python. First option select. Enter the Python simple script. Print open bracket double quoted executed output chari tech info double quoted close bracket. Enter key press. Output chari tech info Warangal. Save this file. File menu click. Save option select. Desktop option select. Top section lo second one new folder button click. Delete key press. Enter the directory name Python files. Enter key press. Bottom side first button open click. Enter the Python file name chari dot extension py. First button save click. Desktop newly created folder display. Select to open. Python created file